Hello student, in this video we talk about how to use trim and cut function in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora and click on the new project, and from here we downloaded some stock media, right? So I have already downloaded some stock media, so I drag and drop this pic, right? So first set it to the full timeline, zoom to fit timeline, right? Shift Z, so press shift and Z, so this pic will be fit on the timeline, right? So it is the playhead, and when I move this playhead and click on that, right, this scissor point, or click on Control B, right, so it will be cut in two part. So it called the trim. So I have also move it and now click on it, so I have trim it in three part, and it is a simple method, and you have trim your project in many more parts, right, as you want and as your requirement. And from here you also use the quick split mode, so click on it or click on C and then trim it, and then trim it, and then trim it, and then trim it. So this blade is the easiest way to trim your project in many more parts. And if you want to disable this blade, so click on this and it will be disabled. So it is a trim part, and if you want to cut any part, so just select it. If I want to, so I drag and drop this pic in this timeline, right? Now I fit on the time head, and now I want to cut it, so click on it, it will be cut, and I want to cut this part, right, and move this part to the last, right, and from here press Ctrl V and this part will be moved. So in this lesson we discuss the trim, how to trim or project, and the cut, how to cut and paste or project from one point to the second point.